Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is poha or flattened rice made with Chinese flavors. Sounds interesting, isn't it? All the kanda poha lovers will surely love this preparation. It is spicy, chatpata, and you can enjoy it for breakfast, lunch, brunch, dinner, any time of the day. So let's get started and make Schezwan Poha. Schezwan Poha. If you are tired of eating the usual regular kanda poha, try out this variation with Chinese flavors. It's amazingly delicious, spicy, flavorful, easy to make. Doesn't it look so delicious and inviting? Ingredients list can be seen in the description box. You can check it out there. Now first, we'll rinse the poha or flattened rice. I've taken about 2 cups. Pour water over them so that any dirt stuck to them will be removed and washed away. You can do this under the running water also in the sink. Now again, pour little water over them so that they get soaked and puffed up nicely. Drain out all the water and set it aside at least for 5 minutes. Now in a wok, heat oil, about 3 tablespoons. Once the oil is hot, we'll add about 1 tablespoon of crushed garlic and saute it. Next, add 1 small onion cut into small cubes. Toss them together and cook the onion until it is translucent. Here I have all the vegetables cut into small pieces. I have used bell peppers of 3 colors, baby corn, carrot, all colorful. They'll make the dish look very appealing. Now onion is done. Now dip in all the chopped vegetables. You could also add mushrooms if you like. Now add little salt to taste. Be careful with the salt because the sauces also contain salt, so we can check and add more later. Give it all a nice mix. Cover and simmer on low flame for 1 minute. We do not have to overcook the veggies. Let them remain little crunchier. Now time to add the sauces. About 1 teaspoon of dark soya sauce. If you are using light soya sauce, then add 1 tablespoon. 1 teaspoon of Schezwan sauce. 1 teaspoon of tomato ketchup. Few drops of toasted sesame seed oil. This gives lovely flavor. Mix all the sauces well with the vegetables so that the flavors are infused into them. Lovely. Now time to add the soaked poha. Look at this. How nicely they have puffed up and they are grainy. You have to make sure that they don't become mushy. Add them to the wok. And gently start mixing so that all the vegetables and poha get mixed evenly. At this stage, taste them, check the salt and add if needed. So far I have not added any more salt after adding poha. So little bit is required. Give it a nice mix. If you wish, you can increase the spice level by adding more Schezwan sauce. Now we'll cover the lid and just simmer for half a minute on low flame so that the poha gets cooked. Finally, garnish with some chopped spring onions. Delicious, steaming, piping hot poha. Dish them out and enjoy this Chinese style poha. Isn't it a lovely twist? I'm sure you're going to love this. You can enjoy it for breakfast, brunch, lunch, or even carry it in your tiffin box. So friends, do give it a try and share your feedback when you make it. If you like the recipe, do share it with your friends also. And check out the other varieties of poha recipes that I have shared earlier. Thanks for watching. And check out these videos from the archives as well in case you have missed them. Stay tuned. Bye bye.